How to add Polkadot on Trust Wallet. Are you guys facing issues to add Polkadot on Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Simply tap on it. Now click on search bar and search for Polkadot. In order to add Polkadot on your Trust Wallet, simply toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage, scroll down and click on Polkadot. Now tap on Receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you can receive Polkadot from different cryptocurrencies and crypto wallets. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add Polkadot on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.